Alright guys, so I had a dream the other night. I was fishing and this is what I caught. And after that, I figured why not make it into a recipe. So we're gonna mix the salmon into the beef and the beef into the salmon. We're gonna overcome the challenges together. That is the flip, the cooking time, and of course it has to look good. So let's get the fire started now. Quick little hack, very inexpensive. If you have no starter fluid, just go ahead and put a little napkin there, tiny bit of oil, and you start the fire. That will keep it burning. It will not turn off on you. This is a nice, simple chimichurri with olive oil, red wine vinegar, coriander, parsley, and some red chili flakes. Of course, salt and pepper is in there too. I added a little garlic powder. And for the salmon, we have olive oil, chili flakes, dill, lemon, salt, and pepper. Keeping it simple, yet tasty. Simmer there just a little bit, grab some and cover it up, and we move on. Oh, it's gonna be delicious. So, cookie cutter, and we start the process. And we twist just to make sure it is well cut. And go ahead and remove this. Look at that. Place it right over here. Now we move on to the salmon. Let's go ahead and grab this guy. Bring it over this way. And we do the same thing, applying some pressure and twisting. And once you see it moving along with you, just like that, you can go ahead and take it out of there. Oh yeah, that's what we wanted. We get our salmon. Bring it this way. Piece of beef here. Oh, that yummy, yummy marinade. Bring it on. 1, 2, 3. All right, guys, we have our popsicle. All right, guys. It is about that time. We're gonna grab this first and we place it on there. We come back with our salmon and beef, and we have our jalapeno popper popsicles. We're gonna cover that up to let it smoke, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, we're about halfway there. We're gonna go ahead and give this a flip. Remember, one of the obstacles is making sure we can keep it together while doing this. So here we go. Oh baby. Now we're gonna remove that, so that is perfect. We're gonna go ahead and grab a nice lemon wedge, place it on the center, and we are going to flip the center steak. Look at that. Beautiful, guys, beautiful. It is the moment of truth now. Let's get this bad boy. Woo! Challenge 1, check. All right, now we grab one of these guys. Woo! Look at that. Beautiful. Place it right here. Now, let's cut into this bad boy real quick, guys. Delicious.